Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. So here at the Onyx Pool, that's our first pool on Friday. Now we're swinging back and getting the leaf canister last. So I'm here, and you know, what is the job of the pool man? Is he here to clean up all of your parties? Absolutely not. What he is here to do is to make sure that the water chemistry is perfect, that it looks crystal clear, and that all the systems are able to work. Now, the word sabotage is something that I have used on this channel numerous times, and the owners here at the Onyx factory are as egregious as any violators. They have a lot of kids, and so I also give them a lot of slack, but when you have all of these things in here, and I'm not going to fish this out, this would take me 10 minutes just to get all this stuff out, and that's not what I'm here for. But it does preclude the cleaner from working. The cleaner actually escaped all of the doldrums there. But so once again, try to help your pool guy out. Help your pool guy help you. Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Poolman channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. And in this case, it's a spool. So we're here at the original spool and love it, but it was kind of built in since it's so small, it doesn't have like standard things like a skimmer or things like that. They kind of just made one up, and it doesn't really work. So and they put no check valve here, so that always ends up chucking back into the pool. If you've watched this channel for any period of time, you've seen that. So anyway, they didn't skimp on the equipment. We have Pentair here, but they did skimp on the actuators, right? No actuators on our valves here. And so that requires our homeowner to do it themselves, and they don't know what they're doing. So unfortunately, I think doing that has kind of fouled up all the sensors in the sense that, anyway, I'm going to replace all of them. So it was throwing an E05, which is our stack flue sensor, right? I've already taken it out. Right? Okay, sorry about the noise, but so the heater was running, and then it would get up to about 92 and wouldn't get up any higher than that. I came over like a week ago to test it, and it kicked me out an E05 error code. And so that's the stack flue sensor. And so that's what I replaced. Took the stack flue sensor out and replaced it with a new one. And now I'm letting it run. And I'm liking what I'm seeing, because we're already up 4 degrees and the pool has not, we went from 76 to 80, and the heater has not cut out, not once. So that's good. Those word to the wise. Now I can't speak for Jandy, but Pentair's just are supposed to run and run until they get to your set point. So let's check that out. We'll let it run, and we'll come back, do a few more pools, and we'll come back, and hopefully it's reached our set point or gone past 92. Okay, we're a couple hours later here at the spool, and things look great. I cranked it all the way up to 104, which, by the way, is the most that any heater will go, regardless of brand. So we have our spa set at 104. It's at 104. Okay, so when it drops to 103, then it's going to kick on again. Okay, so once again, what did I replace? The E05, the stack flue sensor. Okay, and that's also located right in there, this guy right here. So the way I work is I buy the $100 pack of all of the sensors for the Pentair Mastertemp 400s. I make the customer buy that whole thing, and then as the sensors die off and break, they've already paid for them. So all they do is pay me for the labor. But guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. Guys, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.